So hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So today we are going to learn about the framer motion. This will be an introductory video about the framer motion. So in order to learn framer motion, first we need to understand what is a framer motion. Why I am saying again and again this name. So basically this is a React animation library. Whenever you visit any website, there you can see a lots of animation, and there might be some websites that use at least a small amount of animations. Whenever you scroll or whenever you click on the button, there is some animated animation appears on the website. So that's why we are going to learn about this library. This is a React animation library. It is not a React based library. Basically we can use it in a simple HTML CSS websites, and also using the Next.js framework. So basically, this powerful feature like variant, scroll animation, exit animations. What does it mean? It means that we can make a animation whenever user scroll or exit, whatever like this. So don't worry about it. I will explain later each and everything. So let's move on to the next slide. Here you can see that what we can build by using this library. So basically we can create an animated button and cards, modal and menu transitions, and all over the things you can read here. So basically, so I'm going to show you a live example. So let's go to here. You can see that I recently built a small web page which is a cursor. You can see that, you can notice that there is a not a cursor, a circle is moving around instead of a circle. When I when I hover over this text, you can see that it larges the and show the text as a magnifying glass. Basically, this is a animation I just built by using the framer motion library. Don't worry, I will explain in the later videos how you can build this very amazing animation. And for this, let's understand this is a main website of the framer motion website. Here you can read about the and see the all of the animation, what type of animation we can build by using this website. And apart from that, I am going to show you a website which I recently built. This is a resume maker website. Here you can see that when we reload the page first time, the this element appear from like animation. This did the animation. As you can see that here is a rocket, I can drag it anywhere and it goes to its original position when I take this animation we can build using the framer motion. This will be an introductory video just to make sure that you can have an understand what we can build using this library. Okay, you can here see that there is a scroll animation. Yeah, we can easily build this scroll animation. And when I hover over this icon, yeah, this is another animation. So okay, so in the later videos or upcoming videos, we will learn each and everything about the framer motion. So thank you guys.